What if I told you that scientists just figured out how to give drugs an off switch? We're not talking about just any scientists either. We're talking about David Baker's lab, the guy who literally won the Nobel Prize for designing brand new proteins with AI, things nature has never even dreamed of. And they didn't just create an off switch. They created one that works 6,000 times faster than anything we've ever seen. This isn't just an incremental improvement. This is a discovery that could save millions of lives. Let me explain why this is absolutely insane. Picture a crowded nightclub. All the proteins in your body are like people on the dance floor, constantly bumping into each other. When a drug enters your body, it's like that one person who grabs onto someone and just won't let go. This is a massive problem in medicine. Take cancer immunotherapy. Doctors want to blast cancer cells with powerful drugs, but these drugs are so sticky that once they grab onto their targets, they can hold on for hours. And if something goes wrong, if the patient starts having a dangerous, life-threatening immune reaction, there's no emergency brake. You just have to wait it out and hope for the best. It's like driving a Ferrari with no brakes. Sure, it's powerful, but one wrong turn and it's all over. But here's where it gets wild. Baker's team said, what if we could design a molecular bouncer? They created these incredible protein switches that work like this. Imagine the drug is dancing with its target protein. Everything's going great. But then you introduce what they call an effector molecule. Think of it as a bouncer who taps the drug on the shoulder and says, time to go. But this isn't just a gentle tap. The effector molecule literally changes the shape of the entire system, creating what scientists call structural frustration. It's like the bouncer doesn't just ask nicely, he physically reshapes the dance floor so the drug physically can't hold on anymore. The result? The drug lets go 6,000 times faster than it would naturally. We're talking about going from an agonizing wait of hours to just a few seconds. Now, let's talk about why this is a true game changer. They tested this on a protein called IL-2, which is like the drill sergeant of your immune system. It screams at your T cells to go absolutely berserk on cancer cells. The problem? IL-2 is so powerful, it's toxic. Doctors can barely use it without risking the patient's life. But with their new switch, doctors could potentially give patients a massive cancer-obliterating dose of IL-2, then just flip the switch to turn it off before it causes serious damage. It's like having a tactical nuclear weapon with a perfect safety mechanism. And that's not all. They also created a COVID sensor that works 70 times faster than previous tests. Instead of waiting hours, you're getting an answer in seconds. But what blew my mind is how this actually works. They borrowed a trick from nature's most powerful biological motors, the tiny proteins that make your own muscles contract. It's a mechanism called a power stroke. The effector molecule, the bouncer, is initially floppy and disordered. But when it binds to the switch, it instantly folds into a rigid, stable structure. This folding action releases a burst of energy, like a spring snapping into place. That energy is what literally forces the drug to let go of its target. It is the exact same principle that lets you lift something heavy, but now engineered into any drug we can imagine. We've figured out how to give medicines superpowers. This isn't just about cancer or viruses. This technology could revolutionize how we think about all medicines. Imagine antidepressants you could turn off instantly if they cause side effects. Blood thinners that doctors could deactivate seconds before surgery. Powerful pain medications that can be switched off to prevent addiction. We are literally looking at a future where every potent drug comes with its own emergency brake. And the crazy part? This is just the beginning. Baker's lab has proven we can design not just what proteins do, but precisely control how fast they do it. The age of uncontrollable medicine is ending. Welcome to the era of molecular remote controls.